I wouldn't have done that job at all because it would have taken an hour and I just wouldn't have done it. But it took me 2 minutes to do
Wow.
with the AI tool. So that one is a really, really good way of doing that.
I really love, I mean, it's brilliant to just take the transcript from your Zoom and pop it over there for summarizing. And does that also matter which plugin you have in, Martin?
Well, that one doesn't need a plugin in the way they use
Okay.
it now. It automatically will take a link. So let's say you have a PDF or some document. Now these tools can summarize even documents that are a few hundred pages long. Now it'll summarize that into a page, let's say, and then you could take that page and summarize it into a paragraph. And so that kind of thing is really good. You can just give it the link and it'll automatically do it.
Sweet.
That's a really, really useful way of using it. The
Yeah, it is.
third way is to create a script. So out of these different Zooms that I've done, I now want to take that info and I want to create a video from it. Well, you can ask ChatGPT to create a video script. And of course, with a script, you're going to want to know, what it opens with. So it's going to give you suggestions with a picture of the sun setting with the farmer on this field. That's one we did the other day, right? So it'll create that script for you. And then you can take 11 Labs, which makes the voices, and you can make a voiceover with that script, and maybe use HeyGen, which is another AI tool, which does avatars. Now, I'll say this. Some people are saying, oh, I can tell that's an avatar, or this is, it doesn't look that great. First of all, this is the worst they'll ever look. So they're going to get better and better, and ultimately they will be indistinguishable from a real person. That's good and bad. There's lots of things around that. But my point is, if you're training, you're onboarding, you're doing these kind of things in your company or for clients, instead of giving them a PDF, you can now give them an interactive video with an avatar and a voiceover. And that's simply going to convert better. People are going to remember it better. A lot of people don't like reading. So essentially, when people say it doesn't look as good, compared to what? Compared to a PDF, it's a lot better. And in fact, again, if it's especially for training, it doesn't matter. And especially young people, they just don't care as much. I don't really understand why some people have a hate on for AI in that way. If you're an entrepreneur, you can leverage the heck out of it to increase your productivity. And this is one of the ways. In fact, if you're a coach, there's someone like that who has to be in front of people while they're making money, this is a really good way of you creating a secondary course that doesn't require, tons of money, that you then could generate money outside of your presence. Because if you don't have systems and programs that can create recurring revenues without you, well, then you're going to be chained to your desk. And it's very, very difficult to have the freedom lifestyle you want unless you start doing that. And now it's never been easier now to use these AI tools to create videos and content that you can then use for a program and course that you charge for.